Hey guys, welcome to S&T Vlogs. Are you a new YouTube user and you're having less than 100 subscribers and looking for a custom URL? You are in the right place. I'm going to walk you through how to create a YouTube custom URL even if you have less than 100 subscribers. So before we can get started, please hit the subscribe button, like and share so that you don't miss any of my updates in the future. Let's go. Open youtube.com. On the top right, you should see your profile. Click the profile and then click YouTube Studio. Once you click YouTube Studio, the YouTube channel should open up. Now let's copy the URL and then open another tab and open a new website called bit.do. Now paste that URL and then provide whatever customized URL you would like to have. Here I'm just going to test saying custom URL testing and then click shorten. Voila, there you go. So this is basically the real custom URL. It's not a custom URL unlike other websites. This is truly a custom URL where you can provide whatever name you want to call your URL. Now we are going to test that URL. There you go, it works. So apart from the custom URL, you also get a QR code. So you can even share this QR code to anyone who wants to subscribe to your channel. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe my channel so that you don't miss any updates. Until next time, see ya.